Yo, what is going on, guys? Osmic Effects here, back again with another fucking video. Hope you guys are excited just as I am. Um, Thank you everybody who showed support on the last video. I had some amazing feedback, the comments, the likes. I gained a few subscribers. Thank you for everybody who did subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this video. For this video, we're gonna be talking about some zone-to-zone trading. But before that, I just want to also give a shout out to Peter, one of the new subscribers. He loved last week's video, and he pretty much all week used the Fibonacci, how I taught him, and he was killing it in the market. He was trading on a demo, but besides that, he was applying everything I taught him properly from the video, and he was crushing it. He was just take profits after take profits after take profits. So good job, Peter. But let's get started with this video. So for this video, we're gonna do some live backtesting with JBP JPY, and we're gonna do some zone to zone trading. So let's just tell you guys. So zone to zone is support and resistance, right? So this would be your support. Resistance. This would be your support, and pretty much zone to zone trading would what it would be like is price rejecting this zone right here, which would be the resistance, which would cause the price to go down. This would be like your take profit area. It would start rejecting, go up. This would be like another entry, retrace like this, and get you on another take profit. So that's kind of zone to zone trading. That's pretty much where you're kind of trading the consolidation rather than the breakout. But here we go. So we always want to start off on the daily time frame, right? Because the daily time frame, when you start from top to bottom, you're gonna see the bigger picture of the chart instead of just looking at like the 5 minute or the 1 minute, which doesn't really allow you to see anything that's happening in the market in a bigger picture. So you typically want to start off with drawing a trend line, but in some cases you're gonna have this where you can't have really like a like a channel, a double-sided trend line, because the price is very bullish or bearish. In this case, is bullish. As you can see, it's just breaking highs and highs and highs. There's no type of pullback or bounce within channel. But after you get your trend line on the daily, we want to go to the 4 hour and start drawing our key zones. So right here, there's one which was a failed attempt to break to the upside and cause the market to come down, right? Right here we have another one. And right here we have another one too. This one is also a minor, so we can still draw it. All right. So right here you can see that when the price was pushing upwards, it broke highs, and then it came down to find and create a level of support. After it did that, it decided to break new highs, right? Came down, small little retest, create a new level of support to break upwards again, make a new support, and then to finally make a new resistance. It tried to break out of it, it failed, which caused the market to come down. But guys, what do you see here? A fib play. So if we put the price from before the push to the push, we can see that the price perfectly went inside the golden zone, the 50 to 62, or in some of the cases, which we use the 62 to the 70. And look at this beautiful entry. If we go to the 1 hour, we can see that right as soon as the price closed, you would put your stop loss right below this candle right here, because it's the lowest point. And your take profit would be the 0.38. Take profit 2 would be the 0, or this key zone right here. And then take profit 3 would be like highers, right? So in this case, TP1 would have smashed easily for 125 pips, just like that. Rejecting a zone, fib play, and boom, TP1 125 pips. But let's clear this out and let's go back in time. Let's do the replay mode and let's do some back testing so I can show you guys how to properly use this, right? So we're just gonna pick a random day and time. All right, now we zoom in, so we don't know where the price was going up or down. Okay, and now we start off the daily time frame. See if we could find any trend lines. So right here, see that we have this push right here. Okay, nice. And now we go to the 4-hour, and this is where we start marking our key zones. Okay. Okay. So, sorry guys, got a text message. All right. So here we go. Right here, there's a key zone, right? We're just gonna be marking all of our key zones. Right here, there's another. Right here, another one. Right here, there's another one, and it seemed like it tried to break out, but it failed. So we're gonna be keeping an eye on that. Let's just mark them up real quick. And then it seems like right here we have another one. Right? Okay. So now let's just see what the price wants to do. Try to break out. It's trying to break out, but it seems like it doesn't want to. Okay, there it is. Let's just wait and see. Seems like it's trying to go even higher, but it's kind of struggling around this area right here. Okay. Okay, so it did fail to break up. Let's see if we could find some type of retest, because if we get a retest around this area right here, that means that we could probably find a sell, right? So let's see what could happen. Okay, there we go. That's our entry. So we'd enter the market right here, stop loss above the candle. TP1 would be this zone right here, 60 pips. And then we could do TP2. Seems like this is a strong zone right here. This would be TP2, 125 pips. And then TP3 would be right here, where there's some sort of rejection for 189 pips. So let's keep playing it and see what happens. We had some drawdown, 15 pip drawdown, probably like 20 pips with spread and everything. But let's see. Starting to consolidate, trying to retrace. Boom, TP1 smashed. For, let's see, 67 pips. Let's see if we can get TP2 to smash for approximately 121 pips. Let's just wait and see. There we go. Retesting this zone right here. Good. Boom, TP2 smashed. Retracing, starting to go back up now. Okay, guys, I mean, it seems like this trade is already over from what I look from what it seems, but guys, from just waiting and having your key zones marked up, 132 pips caught on GJ, just like that. Let's just wait and see. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, starting to drop. We're still in the trade. Right here, this could have been a second entry. Let me zoom this in for you guys more actually. So right here, this could have been a second entry. As you can see, it came up, retested it again, and started to drop. So this could have been a second entry. Same thing, zone 1, zone 2. Let's see what happens. This would have already been a, okay, boom. Make it smaller, 26 pip stop loss. And will we get TP2 here again? Boom, TP2 smashed for 117 pips. And this is just zone to zone trading. Even here, we could have gotten a buy and rode it all the way up to this zone right here if we really wanted to. But you always want to stay patient and, you know, stay patient and not always try to catch every single move in the market. But also right here, what we could see is probably a Fibonacci play, right? So we put this from here to this high right here. No, came down. So right there, that wouldn't be a valid Fib play. Actually, yeah, I would have. You know why? Because, let's take this off real quick. If we would have entered in the golden zone, TP1 right here, the 0.38, stop loss below the wick, boom, we would have gotten a whopping 36 pips. Nothing too major, but at least TP1 would have smashed if you would have used the fib in this scenario from it going up and then redoing a fat retracement, small little entry, and you would have caught an easy 36 pips right there. Okay, let's just keep waiting. So this trade, TP2 already smashed. Let's remove the Fibonacci out the way. Starting to break up. See what's gonna happen. And it tanked. Okay. It tanked way too hard. I would not want to enter the market in this scenario. Because if you see this, it's consolidating within a 70 pip range. It's just going up and down, up and down. From the looks of it, it seems like we're going to be picking up some liquidity around this area right here. So let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, as I figured, it's just picking up liquidity, respecting the trend line, the key zones. Just take a note of that. Rejected. Okay, boom. And there we go. That's our entry right there. Broke the trend line, respected this. It did a almost like a break and retest. It tried to go down, respected this zone and this zone. So right here, this is gonna be our entry. We're gonna put our stop loss right below this little key zone. And we're gonna aim for right here. This will be TP1, 101 pips. Let's go. Okay, so we got stopped out here. 42 pips. That's fine. We're still profitable. That's why risk to reward is very key. But I know, but from what it looks like, we're still gonna go up. So let's just keep waiting. Seems like we would have gotten stop hunted in this case. Yep, there's the push. Okay, so now this would have been the entry. Sucks that we got stopped out there, but it happens. Stop loss right below this wick, and we're gonna aim for 82 pips. We got stopped out 42 pips here, but at least with this, we would probably make it up if it hits TP. Okay, good. We had some retracement of 10 pips. That's fine. And boom, there we go. 83 pips smashed. And as you can see, we marked these zones way back here. And look how well it's being respected even after we've been going through all these trades. This is why zone to zone trading is so important and allows you to catch so many trades. We won here. We caught 123 pips, 117 pips. Here we got stopped out for 42 pips, and here we caught 82 pips. But that's what you call risk to reward. This little trade shouldn't phase you. It happens. We're all traders. We all lose money. It's us versus the market, you know? But let's see what happens now. Some type of pullback. Trying to break out. It's failing to break. Let's see if we get a retest on the trend line. No, there's the breakout. Cool. And let's see. Nope. Back in. Starting to pick up some liquidity. And we get a test on the trend line. No, and there it is. That's the push. We would have missed the push because overall, I didn't like how this was looking. We could have probably entered the market right after it broke this high right here. So this could have been the entry. But realistically, I probably myself wouldn't have entered this trade. Just because I don't like how it looked on the chart live. So we probably would have missed it, but let's see how high it could go before we get some type of pullback. Oof. Damn, what a trade. 128 pips. Oh, and there's the pullback. Okay, so you know what? Now you guys know what time it is. It's time to bring out the secret weapon, the Fibonacci, and let's see what type of trade we could catch here, right? Boom. So right now it's within the 62 and the 70 line. This would have been my entry right here. I would have gone in as soon as it closed right here. We'd have put the stop loss right below here, 33 pips. About 33, let's just say, let's be safe and let's do 42 pips because right here we could catch a big push. So TP1 would be 62 pips, right? Right here. TP2, 135 pips right here. And then TP3 will do 182 pips, this zone right here. Which if we look back, it's in line to a level of resistance. So let's go. So right now we're in drawdown. It pushed up about 22 pips, but now it went down 22 pips in drawdown. Let's see what happens. Okay. About 25 pips in drawdown. And there's the push. Let's see if we get TP1 smashed. Boom, TP1 smashed. This would be 60 pips secured. Nice. Having some type of retracement. This could honestly be another entry zone for the Fibonacci. Look, right here, golden zone, and it's starting to fly up. Oh, deleted the wrong one. 1 second, guys. Let's see. Can I get this? All right, there. So TP1 smashed. Let's see if we could get TP2 to smash. If we could get this high to break, then we're going to probably see the market still pushing pretty high. Boom. There we go. Holy shit. So TP2 smashed for a whopping 136 pips. Okay, starting to retrace. It did like a double tweezer, so we could possibly see the market reach the 0.38, find some new level of support before it going back up. Let's see. There we go. No, it just wants to go up, it seems. And bam, TP2 smashed. TP3, sorry. See, that was 187 pips. 187. Nice. Guys, let's see what's going to do now. Now it's when it's starting to drop. Right after it smashed TP3, now it's when it's starting to drop. But hey, that's it. We're out of the trade. We made our money. Guys, this is why I'm telling you, zone to zone trading is so important. And when you start to incorporate the Fibonacci on it, you're going to get some amazing results. Right here, we caught 123 pips, 117 pips, stop loss at 42 pips because we entered a bit too early. We got faked out and got stop hunted. And then boom, this is where the push happened. Sadly, we didn't go in down here, but hey, you know, at least we secured our profits and we just waited for a better entry. Right here, we caught 83 pips. And then right here, the big push, we got 187 pips. But yeah, this is the power of zone to zone trading. As you can see, when we first marked up the support and resistance line, it was around this area right here. And then look how well it just translated to the market later on. This is why I love trading zone to zone with pairs like GJ, not so much gold, but GJ US CAD, because it's so well respected. Guys, I promise you, backtest this and you're gonna see that you're gonna have the same results. If just wait for the right confirmation, the right entry, and you're just gonna get wins after wins after wins. Obviously, you just have to be patient and disciplined, and it's not like we're entering like 50 trades, but hey, 1 2 3 4 5 out of 5 trades that we entered right here, we lost one, we won four, and we were heavy in profit. So that's what I mean about taking like one trade a day and having risk to reward. It doesn't matter, you don't have to take 3 5 10 trades a day. As long as you have risk to reward in place, and you're disciplined with 1 or 2 trades a day, you're gonna be set. So this was a little live back testing. This was a little back test trading for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a pretty long video, but hopefully you guys could understand the concept of zone to zone trading and then being able to apply the Fibonacci when necessary. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And comment down below what type of videos you guys would like to see next. And thank you so much. Have a good day. See ya.